Welcome back to Ubalde Official. Today I'm going to show you how to create SEB configuration file or SEB exam configuration file. So welcome back to Ubalde Official. I'm going to show you those things. So let's start. You must have the SEB exam browser software installed. If it is not installed, I'm going to show you how to install. This is my setup. You right click and you click on run as administrator, then wait. Here you click on agree and then click on install. Wait until the end. Yes, I'm going to install it and then create that SEB configuration file. Yes, wait until the installation finish. Okay, now installation has been finished. So press start button and then type SEB configuration tool. This one, this is and then wait to take a time. It depends on your PC performance or PC speed. Yeah, you wait. If it is take long time, you should again type SEB yes. You see, this is our SEB exam browser SEB configuration to default setting. Here, this is where you place your quiz or the exam link. I should use okay. I'm going to use this one as a quiz, Google quiz, and then come back and here and put that link. This is a quiz. This is a quiz of link URL link where someone open that file with it, get that dashboard. And this is administrator password, and this is confirm the administrator password. You should leave it then, and we are going to create what configuration file tool. Then you click on new file, come on save as setting as, then you choose where to save it. For example, in desktop quality config or exam.seb. Yes, exam.seb. Then the settings has been saved. Use this file to configure local settings for SEB. Yes, and this is one. When you open it, you should get you should get that your quiz. Yes, so you should now double click on your SEB configuration file and then attend your exam or start your exam, your quiz or your quiz. And also you should share with your classmates, you should share with your students, your teachers, your people who are going to work in the exam. So if this video helped you, please like this video, subscribe and turn on notification bell. Bye bye, God bless you.